Good evening to everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening,
Yeah,
sir.
good evening. Let us wait.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Kana. Good evening. Haran Shalom, good evening. I think Aarti only said good evening. No, Aarti not. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening to everyone. Time is 8 p.m. We'll start with today's topic. So today I like to cover two standard. One is called AS 24. Another is called AS number 18.
Sir.
So does this standard is very much important? I won't say very much important. I won't say that it is not important also. Some days in some alternative days or alternative attempt, there is a question from any one of the standard or sometimes both standard also. With respect to this standard, whatever we are going to discuss for the next 30 minutes or maximum 40 minutes, yes, that will be more than enough. That will be more than enough. So first I like to take AS 18, then I will take AS 24. The people who are converted from old scheme to new scheme, and part of the scheme still conversion process was there. This standard might be new because you are not studied under your existing C intermediate syllabus. AS 18, which talks about related party transaction. Related party transaction. Sir, எப்ப sir related party nu சொல்லுவோம்? எப்ப when it has to be disclosed அப்படினா, when one person can able to control another person, or when one person have a significant influence with other entity. KMP. KMP stands for key managerial person. If any one thing is done, then we will call it as it is a related party transaction. Control comes when one person is holding more than 50% of shares or control over the board of directors. But in the terms of examination, this is enough. In the terms of examination, this is enough. Which is enough? Control
More
is enough.
than
Okay,
50%.
control is enough. This board and all will not come in examination. If my company holding more than 50% of shares in your company, I am controlling ourselves. That is where control comes. Significant influence means when one person is holding more than 20% of shares, less than 50% of shares in another company, then it is called significant influence. Significant influence. Example, subsidiary. Example, associates. Example, associates. Key managerial position is nothing but the person who is, okay, planning, directing, controlling. PDC, planning, directing, controlling, financing or operation activities of the company. Operation activities of the company is called a key managerial person. Like a directors of the company will be a key managerial person. So any transaction happen between these two parties, that is treated as a related party transaction. These fellows will be treated as a related party. If any transaction is happening among these people, that is called related party transaction. The related party transaction may be at market price. Say for example, there is a company A and there is a company B. These people are not related. They sells product X at 100 rupee. At 100 rupee. Similarly, there is another company called A and B. A company is holding 56% of shares in B Limited. The product X is sold at 100 rupee. Same product. Here the company name is confusing to you. You can change the name. You can change the name into CD. Products remain same X. MRP is same. Here also MRP is same. This is the first scenario. Second scenario, MRP is 110. Third scenario, MRP is 80. In which scenario a related party relationship should be disclosed? Gana?
Second and third.
Enama?
Second and third. Second and third.
Second and third. So when there is a transaction between related party at market price, இன்னொருத்தன கொடுத்திருந்தனா என்ன ரேட் கொடுத்திருந்தனோ அதே ரேட்டுக்கு இப்ப supplied, then no need to
disclose.
Your answer is your answer na wrong தான் சார் சொல்லுவீங்கறியா? I can able to understand your mind voice. Yes, your answer is wrong. I know that your people will misunderstand this area like this. That is the reason I started with this. Even though you supplied the product at arm's length price, at a market price, no problem. As a user of the financial statement, I want to know, is there any transaction between related party or not? That might be at market price, or maybe more than market price, or maybe less than market price. That is not exception case. Have you do you have any transaction between the related party? Yes sir, that has to be reported. Even though this is at market price. Pakka?
Yes sir.
Very important, because there is a one question, famous question in this area. They will give all the story. They will say that whether it should be reported. As a student, நம்ம என்ன நினைப்போம், எல்லாமே நார்மலா தானே இருக்கு, why how to report? Standard வந்து நீ fraud பண்ணிருக்கானு கண்டுபிடிக்கல, நீ transaction பண்ணிருந்தா சொல்லு, நான் பார்த்து தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறேன் ஜெனியூனா நாட்டா அப்படிங்கறத. I will come to know. That is the intention of this standard. I hope you are clear.
Yes sir. Sir.
Yeah. Now sir, அடுத்தது இது புரிஞ்சுதா கண்ணா?
Yes sir.
Now, on 1/4/2023, A company hold 58% in B Limited. On 1/10/23, it sold all 58% of shares to somebody else. As on 31/3/24, the shareholding pattern is zero. Now there is a transaction between A and B. Okay. Now tell me, is these transactions are supposed to be reported or not required to be reported?
To be reported.
உங்களுக்கு நான் சொன்னது புரிஞ்சதுல கண்ணா? ஓப்பனிங்ல yes, it is a control. In between I sold entire 58% transaction. After that, as on 31/3/2024, there is no relationship. No relationship. Now tell me, any transaction between A and B during the year should be reported or not reported? Related party, not related party.
Or 6 months report panna.
Only during the
Please
quarter.
understand, the date you are not supposed to see on the balance sheet date. Any day during the financial year, even a one day is a related party, we will say that is a related party transaction only. For this period, whatever the transaction has happened, that's supposed to be reported, disclosed. Here, no need to disclose. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
ஏதா ஒரு நாள் ரிலேஷன்ஷிப் இருந்தாலும் போதும், we'll say that is related party only. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, shall I move forward?
Yes, sir.
ஒன்னு சொல்லிட்டேன். Okay, அடுத்தது. A and B is that A is holding more than 20%, and of course you know that significant influence also is covered. Okay, there is no transaction during this particular period. A is holding more than I will say 30%. 30% is as in B Limited. During this particular financial year, there is no transaction at all. Should I disclose anything?
Disclose pannu.
No.
Yes, name okay, nature of relationship இத மட்டும் disclose பண்ணும். Even though there is no transaction, you have to disclose the name of the related party, nature of the relationship. So transaction இருந்ததுன்னா name, nature, என்ன வேல்யூக்கு பண்ணீங்க, okay, இந்த மாதிரி full details disclose பண்ணோம். Transaction இல்லைன்னா only two things has to be disclosed. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, A Limited is holding 70% shares in B Limited. Related, not related?
Related.
A is holding 70% in B. B is holding 80% in C. Now AB is related or not related?
Related.
Related.
BC is related, not related?
Related.
AC is related, not related?
Related.
A is there, B is there, C is there, 70%. 70%. Now AB is related?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
AC is related?
Yes, sir.
What about B and C?
Not related.
Not.
Very good, very good. But what I will do, what I can do, this is also related.
Okay.
Co-subsidiaries are related. Co-subsidiaries are always related. I will tell you one story. உங்க வீட்ல ரெண்டு பேர் இருக்கீங்க, பிரதர் சிஸ்டர் ஆர் whoever may be. உங்க பேரண்ட் இருக்காரு, உங்க பேரண்டும் நீயும் ரிலேட்டடா? ஆமா. உங்க பேரண்டும் உன்னோட சிஸ்டர், இன்னொரு சிஸ்டர் ஆர் பிரதர் ரிலேட்டடா? ரிலேட்டட். நீங்க ரெண்டு பேர் ரிலேட்டடா, நாட் ரிலேட்டடா?
Related.
ரிலேட்டட் தான். நீ உன் பேரண்ட் சொல்றதா கேட்ப, உன் பிரதரும் பேரண்ட் சொல்றதா கேட்பான். ரெண்டு பேர்த்தையுமே உங்க அப்பா கண்ட்ரோல் பண்றாரு. So it's automatically it's related. Yeah, understood அப்பா?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. A is in B, C. 30%, 40%. AB is related.
Yes, sir.
AC is related.
Yes, sir.
BC
Not
Yes,
related.
sir.
not related. Not related. Co-associates are not related. Co-associates na சித்தப்பா பையன் பெரியப்பா பையன் மாதிரி வச்சுக்கப்பா. Not related. சொந்த வீட்லயே கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ண முடியல, எங்க பெரியப்பா சித்தப்பா எங்க போய் கண்ட்ரோல் பண்றாரு? Are you getting connected with me? So co-subsidiaries are related, whereas co-associates are not related. I hope you understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please be very careful in this area alone. Co-subsidiaries related, whereas co-associates are not related. Pakka.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, other case. My dear friends, I have 100 crores turnover during this particular year. Out of 100 crores, 98 crores ABC Limited, 2%, 100 other customer. Now tell me, this you take it as XYZ Limited. This XYZ Limited and ABC is related, not related?
Related.
Related. Not related is a correct answer. ஒருத்தங்கிட்ட தானே அதிகமா பிசினஸ் பண்றதுனால you are not supposed to come and say that you are related. No. இங்க ஏதாவது நான் சொல்லி இவன் கேட்பானா அப்படின்னு பார்க்கணும். கேட்க மாட்டான் சார் அப்படின்னா not related. See, since I have a majority of the business with one customer, I can't say that those both people are related. When one person are able to control or have a significant influence or KMP, then only is related. Major customer and all is not related. சொல்லியா?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Airtel is that, Airtel gives so many franchises. Now tell me, the Airtel franchise related or not related? Not related. Not related. Is it clear? Franchise and all is especially is excluded. I hope you're getting connected with me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Single customer with whom we have major transaction is excluded. Franchises, trade union, government, it is excluded from the related party. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What I covered so far, that is more than enough. Come back here. Major issues are, everything is covered. Many students think that, oh, related party only na, what small standard. But I hope you can understand how many different types of issues are there. Narmada Limited sold goods of 90 lakhs to Ganga Limited. During the financial year 31/3/2011, the managing director of Narmada Limited owns 100% of Ganga Limited. There is a Narmada Limited and there is a Ganga Limited. Here director is that this director is holding 100% of shares in the Ganga Limited. அப்ப என்ன அந்த டைரக்டர் சொல்ற அதானப்பா Ganga Limited கேக்கும்.
Yes, sir.
The sales were made to Ganga Limited at normal selling price. என்ன selling price?
Normal selling.
Normal selling price.
The chief accountant of Narmada Limited contend that sale need not require different treatment from the other sales made by the company and hence no disclosure is necessary. ஏன்னா நான் நார்மல் செல்லிங் பிரைஸ்ல தான் அமைச்சிருக்கேன், அதனால என்ன ஸ்பெஷலா ட்ரீட் பண்ணாதீங்கன்னு சொல்லி ஆர்கியூ பண்றாரு சீஃப் அக்கௌண்டன்ட். கரெக்டா தப்பா?
தப்புங்க சார்.
இதுல தானப்பா ஆரம்பிச்சோம் நம்ம. ஆரம்பிச்சது we started with that one only na.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Narmada Limited, Ganga Limited is related party and hence disclosure of transaction between them is required irrespective of whether the transaction was done at a normal selling price.
Yes, sir.
இன்னைக்கு காலையில வந்து ஒரு வீடியோ போட்டிருப்பேன். I don't know how many of you have gone through that video. If you go through that video, you can connect the institute sources answer directly. This is the content which is given under AS 18. This para is connecting that content under the present case. Third part of the answer is a conclusion. I hope you are able to understand.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
If you write like this, 5 out of 5, you will get at least 4.5. You will get. Hence, the content of the chief accountant of Narmada Limited is wrong. இதெல்லாம் வச்சு நான் தப்புன்னு சொல்றேன். அடுத்து, Mr. Raj is a relative of KMP. When I say KMP, that includes KMP as well as relative of KMP also is included. Received a remuneration of 2,50,000 for his service in the company period 14 to 36 and 17 அன்னைக்கு விட்டுட்டு ஓடிட்டாரு. Should the related party identified as on closing date? Kana balance அன்னைக்கு is not related party. சொல்லுங்க.
It's a related party, sir.
Should be disclosed, sir.
Any day சொன்னா சொல்லலையாப்பா.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. X Limited sold goods to Associates Company. Associates Company, of course, you know that. During first quarter ending, this problem is very important. During the first quarter ending 36/2011, after that related party relationship ceased to be exist. However, goods were supplied to any other ordinary customer. Decide whether the transaction of entire year have to be disclosed as a related party transaction.
Yes, sir.
Entire year.
Sir, first
First quarter related party சொன்னோம். Second to fourth quarter is not related party. Hence, I don't want to disclose any transaction during that period. அதுவும் நான் சொல்லி கொடுத்துட்டு தான் போனேன்.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. எந்த பீரியட்ல ரிலேட்டடா இருந்தாலும் அந்த பீரியடுக்கான டிரான்சாக்ஷன் மட்டும் தான் டிஸ்க்ளோஸ் பண்ணனும். Once it ceases to be related, no need to disclose those transactions. See, he will be treated as a related party. I'm not denying that. But which transaction should be disclosed? When he was a related party, during that period, whatever the transaction was happened, that has to be disclosed. Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Discuss பண்ணாத தெளிவா கவனிச்சினா you can answer every question. Yeah. Now,
Yes, sir.
A holds எவ்வளவு percentage பா? 51%.
51%.
B holds 51% in O. Z Limited is that Limited holds 49% in O. இந்த மாதிரி எழுதிக்கங்க, புரியலைன்னா இதை வச்சுக்கிட்டு பாத்தீங்கன்னா people like me can't understand, so this will be very easy. Now take each and everything as a reporting entity. Even reporting entity na answer எப்படி இருக்கும், even reporting entity na answer எப்படி இருக்கும், even reporting entity na answer எப்படி இருக்கும், அல்லது even reporting entity na answer எப்படி இருக்கும், even reporting na எப்படி இருக்கும். Are you getting connected with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Different answer you have to write. 4 different answer you have to write. From the point of A, AB is related,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
AO is related, sorry, BO is related.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What about AO?
Related.
Related, sir.
B is related, O also is related. Pakka?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See from B points view. B point ல இருந்து பார்க்கும்போது A related ஆ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. O related ஆ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
அவ்வளவுதான். A related, O related. அடுத்தது O point ல இருந்து பார்க்கணும். யார் யாரெல்லாம் related? Who and all is
ஒருத்தர்
related?
B and A
B
related.
and A மட்டும்தாங்க சார்.
B is related. A also related ஆ? A also related.
Yes, sir.
What about Z? He is also related because significant influence is there na?
Yes, sir.
So from O point, A is related, B is related, Z also is related. Pakka?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
From O points ல இருந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா who is related? Sorry, from Z limited ல இருந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா
O
O
limited.
alone.
O alone is related. Hopefully you understood. This question was tested in the examination for 5 marks sometime.
Yes, sir.
Is remuneration paid by the board of directors a related party transaction? Director க்கு கொடுக்கிற remuneration related party relationshipல வருமா?
No, sir.
No, sir.
ஒரு கம்பெனியோட சோட்டா கம்பெனியோடைய பிரைவேட் லிமிடெட் கம்பெனியோட நோட்ஸ் அக்கௌண்ட்ஸ் நீ உட்கார்ந்து டைப் பண்ணிருந்தீங்கன்னா you will never do this mistake. When you prepare the financial statement for a small company under notes to accounts, there is a concept called related party transaction, and that like whatever is salary which you pay to the director also you will disclose. புரியுதா? Articles if you do it properly kana any remuneration paid to director also is a related party transaction only. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ஏன்னா அவன் KMP டா. He is a KMP only na.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the company managing director, whole-time director, manager, or any other person accordance with the directors of instruction of board of directors. Okay, it is accounted to act or usually considered as a KMP. இவனுங்களெல்லாம் யாருன்னு சொல்றோம்? KMP ன்னு சொல்றோம். அப்ப KMP இருந்தா ஆட்டோமேட்டிக் ரிலேட்டட் தானப்பா?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
person who don't have authority and responsibility for planning. இது எப்படி டிசைட் பண்றான்? அவனுக்கு பவரே கிடையாது சார். எதுக்கு? PDC, பிளானிங், டைரக்டிங், கண்ட்ரோலிங். இதுக்கு பவர் கிடையாது. நான் டைரக்டர், பட் ஐ டோன்ட் ஹேவ் திஸ் கண்ட்ரோல். அப்ப ஐ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் டு ரிப்போர்ட் இட். லைக் ஐ அம் ஓகே இண்டிபெண்டன்ட் டைரக்டர்ஸ் ஆர் டிஃபரெண்ட் டைரக்டர்ஸ். ஐ டோன்ட் ஹேவ் அ கண்ட்ரோல். சும்மா நேம் சேக்கு இருக்கு அப்படின்னா நாட் ரிலேட்டட். அதர்வைஸ் ஜெனரலி இட் இஸ் ரிலேட்டட். பக்கா?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sun Limited sold 15 lands to Moon Limited during the financial year ended 31st March 2017 at a normal selling price ல பண்ணிருக்காங்கப்பா. Managing director of Sun Limited holds 75% of Moon Limited. Yes, obviously it is a related party transaction, but it is done at normal selling price. Tell me.
Related party.
Related party transaction sir discuss பண்ணலாம்.
பண்ணா எதுல பண்ணா போய் ரிப்போர்ட் பண்ண ஃபர்ஸ்ட். அடுத்தது SP Hotel Limited, very important question. If at all question comes from this standard, this one of the question also. SP Hotel Limited enters a contract with A. அத மேக் மை ட்ரிப் மாதிரி ஒருத்தன் அவன் என்ன பண்றான்னா A கூட கான்ட்ராக்ட் போடுறான் for running its hotel for a fixed return payable to the latter every year. The contract involves day-to-day management of the hotel, while all the financial and operating policy decisions are taken by the board of directors of the company na SP Hotel Limited. Mr. A does not own any voting powers in SP Hotel Limited. Would he consider as a related party of SP Limited? Tell me.
Not a related party.
No, sir.
அவர் டே டு டே ஆக்டிவிட்டி பார்க்கறதெல்லாம் மேட்டர் கிடையாது. என்னோட ஹவுஸ் கீப்பிங் கூட தான் டே டு டே ஆக்டிவிட்டி பார்த்துக்கிறாங்க. Will you say them as a related party? Can
No,
she
sir.
able to control me? No. See,
No.
operating PDC, planning, directing, controlling. இது board of director of SP கிட்ட தான் இருக்குது. அப்ப it is not related party. புரியுதாப்பா?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So super. Mr. A would not be considered to exercise significant influence of SP Limited, even though there is an arrangement giving him to the power to manage the company. Company manage பண்ணதான் பவர் இருக்கு. நான் நினைச்ச மாதிரிலாம் பண்ண முடியாது. Further, the fact Mr. A does not have the ability to direct, instruct the board of directors does not qualify him as a key managerial person. பக்கா? இது கொடுத்தது இங்க எதுக்கு தான் இந்த ஆன்சர் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க எனக்கும் தெரியல. Not at all record. Now, I hope previous question you understood na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This question you can discuss by yourself. The bank question, this is also okay. Two associates This I have discussed. Co-subsidiaries are related, co-associates are not related. Sollupa.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Key supplier. Overall the manager supply பண்றான். Can you call them as a related party?
No, sir.
No. So please understand that also. Key managerial person na யாரு அப்படின்னு ஒரு ஆர்டிபிள் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. அது ஆல்ரெடி சொல்லியிருக்கேன். PDC is very important. Planning, directing, controlling the activities of the reporting entity. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Keep in mind PDC. Next, mock test question many times. This question I have already done it.
Yes, sir.
பார்த்தமா பார்க்கலையா?
Patron, sir.
Father, sir.
This is also. This is also. Remuneration is covered. First quarter மட்டும் ரிப்போர்ட் பண்ணனும். மத்த குவார்ட்டர்ல ரிப்போர்ட் பண்ண தேவையில்லை. சி எக்ஸாம் கேட்டிருக்காங்க பார்.
Yes, sir.
இது இந்த ஹோட்டல் பண்ணாங்கல்ல,
Yes, sir.
அது remuneration. This is also covered. That's it. All the concepts related to the related party from the part of examination is covered. If you are coming for regular class, then I used to take this itself 2 hours of time. I'll give a number of examples, but that is not required now. Whatever you learn, that is more than enough in the terms of May 23 examination. I can give that guarantee. I hope so. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Do you have a control, pa?
Yes, sir.
Now I move forward with the next standard. What is next standard?
AS
Yeah.
24.
AS 24. Discontinuing operation. என்னதுமா?
Discontinuing operation.
Discontinuing operation, not discontinued operation. கிடையாது. Discontinuing operation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now listen.
Yes.
There is a company called A Limited. In A Limited, there are different business are there. One business I have planned to discontinue at lump sum basis with a proper planning. Then it will be called as discontinuing operation. At the moment I decided to discontinue certain operation, the user of the financial statement wants to know that whether will I get the same profit in the next year or not. I'll tell you. Companies have some 2 division. A, B division is that. Okay, 10 lakh is a profit. 200 lakh is a profit. What is the total profit?
10 lakh.
210 lakhs. If I disclose only this profit to the shareholders, what shareholders will think? Oh, company will get 200 lakhs, 210 lakhs profit. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But I am planning to discontinue this operation. I have planned to discontinue this operation. Now, should I report it separately or not? Record Kanna. I had reported as a profit from continuing operation is 10. Profit from DCO, discontinuing operation is 200. Total profit is 210. Now, what my shareholders will think? They will think this profit. Based on this profit, they will decide whether to invest or not to invest. Solliya.
Yes, sir.
Profit from discontinuing operation should be disclosed it separately. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Sir, எது வரைக்கும் சார் டிஸ்க்ளோஸ் பண்ணனும்னா till actual disposal. Till actual disposal. கண்ணா ஒரு பர்టిక్యులர் யூனிட் நான் சேல் பண்ணனும் முடிவு பண்ணிட்டேனா that might be disposed within a year or maybe over 5 years also. In Chennai, Nokia have planned to discontinue the manufacturing operation at Chennai because of the various tax litigation and other thing. They took almost 4 years of time to find a buyer. If I want to sell this AC or fan, I can sell easily because fan and AC can be used in your home and your hostel, in your office, everywhere. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I want to sell my iPad, I can sell my iPad easily. If I want to sell this pen, I can't sell it easily because iPad can be used for any purpose. You can use to read the books. You can use to surf website surfing, or you can use to watch movie. You can use to hear songs. But what about pen? Whoever is having an iPad or whatever Windows tablet, okay, out of 100, 95% of people will never have a pen. Solliya.
Yes, sir.
If
Yes,
I'm
sir.
not into teaching, why I have to buy pen? So I can sell the iPad easily because that is a general asset, but I can't sell this pen. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
அப்ப என்ன மாதிரி ஒருத்தன் எவனாவது கிளாஸ் எடுத்துட்டு இருக்கணும், இல்லைன்னா எவனாவது டிராப் பண்றவனா இருக்கணும், அவங்க கிட்ட தான் நான் போய் சேல் பண்ண முடியும். சொல்லியா?
Yes, sir.
Like that in my business also same scenario. There are some general assets are there. Those general assets I can easily sell it off. There are some special natures are there. Those assets cannot be sold easily. So that may take lot of time. Till actual disposal that has to be disclosed separately. Pakka?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
சரி இந்த ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்ல என்ன சார் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட்னா the negative question is very important. Yeah, negative questions are very important. அப்படின்னா என்ன சார்னா எதெல்லாம் we won't say it is as a discontinuing operation. So something would have happened that will not be called as discontinuing operation. That is the most important under this standard. Shall I?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I have, you can take Hindustan Union Limited. They have so many products. Soap play pathina, they have multiple different soap. இப்போ இதுல ஒரு சோப் இனிமே நான் மேனுஃபேக்சர் பண்ணலன்னு முடிவு பண்ணிட்டாங்க. Will it be discontinuing operation or not?
No, sir.
No. When I am discontinuing one product among several products from the ongoing business, will not be treated as a discontinuing operation. Hello.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
When I am discontinuing one product among several products from the ongoing business, will not be treated as a discontinuing operation. Hello.
Yes,
Next.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. I am into soap manufacturing. அடுத்து இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய டிவிஷன் இருக்கு. But I am planning to gradually come out from this soap manufacturing to increase my profit or reduce my losses. அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு பிளான். அதுக்கு எந்த பிளானும் கிடையாது. As of now, I don't have a plan. Okay. To discontinue, but gradually அந்த soap industryல இருந்து வெளில வந்துடலாம் அப்படின்னு முடிவு பண்ணியிருக்கேன். Now will it be discontinuing operation?
Yes, sir.
It is also not a discontinuing operation. When gradually passing out, okay, from one division without any proper plan, will not lead into the discontinuing operation. புரியுதாப்பா?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
கிராஜுவலா நெக்ஸ்ட் கிராஜுவலா எத்தனை வருஷத்துக்குள்ள இது வெளியில வரப்போறேன் அப்படிங்கிற பிளான் இல்ல. இன்னொரு கேஸ்ல சோப் இண்டஸ்ட்ரில இருந்து வெளில வந்துடலாம், ஒரு 2 yearsல இந்த இண்டஸ்ட்ரி விட்டு வெளில வந்துடலாம்னு சொல்லி I have a plan. If I have a plan, then it is discontinuing operation. I hope you're getting connected with me.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
In 2 years, I will come out from the soap manufacturing division. அப்படின்னு சொல்லி if I have a plan, then it is a discontinuing operation. Even though gradually நீ வெளில வந்தாலும், okay, you are gradually coming out without any plan. உனக்கு you want to achieve the profit, you don't have any plan to discontinue. அப்படியே கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா குறைச்சிட்டு வந்தாலான்னு முடிவு பண்ணி போறேன். But you don't have a plan when you are going to discontinue actually. Now it is not a discontinuing operation. I hope you are able to understand the difference.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Gradual passing out, okay, without plan, with plan. Without plan, it is not discontinuing operation. With plan is a discontinuing operation. Understood, Appa?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because there is a one question. Okay, now, so one I told you, I am planning to discontinue one of the product among several product on the ongoing business. Gradual passing out without any plan, it's not a discontinuing operation. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now I am manufacturing my factory at Coimbatore. Now I am planning to shift my factory from Coimbatore to Chennai for operation and convenient purpose. Now tell me.
Not a discontinuing operation.
Not a discontinuing operation. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so hopefully you understood about discontinuing operation concept.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now come to the standard, very small standard. I think you have very limited question in this. From the point of examination, I don't know how far it is important, very least important only. But எதையுமே விட்டுட்டு போயிடாத. A consumer goods producer has changed the product line as follows. January 16 to September 16, dishwashing bar எவ்வளவு per month பண்றாங்கன்னா 2 lakhs. Cloth washing bar 2 lakhs. October to December 1 lakh and 3 lakhs. January nil, இங்க 4 lakhs. கண்ணா இந்த இடத்துல என்ன நடந்திருக்குன்னு சொல்லுங்கண்ணா.
Sir, gradually.
என்ன நடந்திருக்கு?
இதா இருக்கு.
அதுல இருந்து வெளில வந்துட்டாங்களா?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The company has enforced a gradual enforcement of change in product line on the basis of overall plan. The board of directors has passed a resolution March 16 to this effect. The company follows calendar year as an accounting year. You are required to advise the company whether it should be treated as a discontinuing operation or not as per AS 24. சொல்லுப்பா என்னப்பா இது?
ஜனவரியில இருந்து தான் டிஸ்கண்டினியூ ஆகும். ஜனவரியில தான் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுங்க சார், பட் மார்ச்ல தான் ரெசல்யூஷன் பாஸ் பண்ணிருக்காங்க.
அதுக்கான கிராஜுவலா வெளில வராங்கல்ல. Now listen.
Yes, sir.
That the enterprise person to a single plan disposing substantially it's entirely அப்படின்னா single plan எல்லாத்தையும் ஒட்டுக்கா தூக்கி சேல் பண்றேன் சார். பீஸ்ஃபுல் சேல் உங்களுக்கே தெரியும், இன்கம் டாக்ஸ்ல படிச்சிருப்பீங்க. Terminating through abandonment அப்படின்னா கம்ப்ளீட்டா க்ளோஸ் பண்றது. That represent a separate major line of business or geographical area of the operation that can be distinguished operationally and for financial reporting purpose. Kana discontinuing operation la positive question vandadhanal, okay, you keep this as a part of your answer. I told you there is a two question, one is a positive question, another is a negative question. If you are getting a positive question na, yes sir, answer will be what? Discontinuing operation. Negative question na, answer is not discontinuing operation. Solluya.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Positive question vandadhana, please write this as a part of answer. இதெல்லாம் இருந்தனா அதுக்கு discontinuing operation. நெகட்டிவ் கொஸ்டின் வந்தா இதே மாதிரி 4 லைன் வச்சுக்கோ. அது நெகட்டிவ் கொஸ்டின் வந்தனா அந்த பார்ட் எழுதிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் ஆன்சர் எழுது. Definitely will get a good amount of mark. பக்கா?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the given case, the company has enforced a gradual enforcement of changing a product line and does not represent separate major line of business. புரியுதாப்பா? கனெக்ட் பண்றாங்களா? இவங்க கனெக்ட் பண்றாங்களா? நான் இன்னைக்கு யூடியூப்ல போட்ட வீடியோ புரியுதா உனக்கு இப்ப?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I don't know whether whatever the videos I'm giving to you useful or not. You have to come and tell me, then only I can decide. Hence, it is not discontinuing operation. If it were a discontinuing operation, the initial disclosure, suppose இது வந்து discontinuing operation இருந்திருந்தா எப்ப இருந்து சார் சொல்லணும்னா இந்த பிளானை எப்ப அப்ரூவ் பண்ணுமோ அந்த டேட்ல இருந்து சொல்லணும். Are you getting connected with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the case that is not a discontinuing operation. Mark this question is again very important. Negative question. Give 4 example of activity that do not necessary to satisfy the criteria. அப்படின்னா என்னது? இந்த பேராகிராஃப்ல சொல்லி இருக்குது discontinuing operation. ஓகேங்களா? நான் சொல்லக்கூடியது ஏதாவது வந்ததுன்னா that will be treated as a not a discontinuing operation. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First point, gradual or
Evaluate.
evolutionary passing out of product line or class of service. I told you na soap.
Yes, sir.
Discontinuing even if relatively abruptly several product within ongoing line of business. சொல்லுப்பா, இதுதான் சோப் ஆக்சுவலா. இது அதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒவ்வொன்னா கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா விட்டுட்டு வருது. Shifting of some production or marketing activity for a particular line of business from one location to another location. சொல்லியா?
Yes, sir.
Closing a facility to achieve the productivity improvement or other cost saving. ஒரு யூனிட் இழுத்து மூடுறேன், எதுக்காகனா எனக்கு இன்னும் நிறைய ப்ராஃபிட் வரும், இல்ல லாஸை கண்ட்ரோல் பண்றதுக்கு அப்படினாலும் that is not a discontinuing operation. I hope very clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
இந்த 4 பாயிண்டையும் தயவு செய்து 2 டைம் நோட்ல எழுதி பார்த்துக்கோ. இதையும் 2 டைம் எழுதி பார்த்துக்கோ. இந்த கொஸ்டின்ல 2 கொஸ்டின் தான், சாரி, அவுட் ஆஃப் தி ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் only 2 question is possible. One is a positive question. If you are getting a positive question in the examination, before you give the answer, write this sentence. If you are getting a negative question in your examination, write these 4 points, then you connect with the present case. In the present case la gradually வெளில வந்தாங்கப்பா, அதனால it is not a discontinuing operation எழுதணும். So this point வந்து எப்படியாவது மைண்ட்ல வச்சுக்கோ. புரியுதா?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
அவ்வளவு முடிஞ்சு போச்சு. இத வச்சு நீ ஆன்சர் எழுதிடலாம். presentation I told you that எந்த யூனிட் வந்து டிஸ்கிரைப் பண்றாங்க. இது ஒரு தியரி क्वेश्चन but multiple times it is appeared in the RTP. So just go through it for 3 times or 4 times, then you will understand. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One second. So it is not a discontinuing operation. இங்க வரும்போது disclosure purpose வரும்போது என்னென்னலாம் disclose பண்ணுங்கறத மட்டும் just ஒரு டைம் go through பண்ணுங்க. புரியுதாப்பா?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
இந்த question I told you na, I'll tell you. This question is again is important question, but we have already covered. Some companies in the business of manufacturing passenger car and commercial vehicle. Passenger car and commercial vehicle. The company is working on a strategic plan to shift from the passenger car segment to the commercial vehicle segment over coming 5 years. However, no specific plan have been drawn up for sale of neither the division nor the assets. Do you have a plan or no plan?
No plan.
No plan.
No plan.
No plan. See, gradually passing out with plan na என்னது?
Negative.
Yeah, operations.
Gradually passing out with plan.
Discontinuing operation.
Discontinuing
Discontinuing
operation.
operations.
Gradual passing out without plan.
Not
Not
a
to
discontinued.
discontinue.
So one chart I gave to you, you would have understood out of that chart itself. See here.
Yes, sir.
Now in the present case, with plan, without plan.
Without plan.
Without plan.
Without plan means what?
Not
Not
a
a
discontinuing operation. Discontinuing operation.
இது தெரிஞ்சதுக்கப்புறம் நான் இதுக்கு full answer பார்க்கணும். See, in the view of the above, mere gradual passing out itself cannot be considered as a discontinuing operation. The company's strategic plan also no final approval from the board through the resolution, and there is no specific time-bound activities like shifting of the assets and employee. எவ்வளவு நாளுக்குள்ள நான் க்ளோஸ் பண்றேன் அப்படின்னு டைம் பவுண்ட் எதுவும் கிடையாது. கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா அப்படியே வரேன் அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி தான் சொல்றாங்க. Moreover, new segment commercial vehicle production in line a new factory has not started. So hopefully you understood. This is not a discontinuing operation. Pakka.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Discontinuing. What are the discontinuing operation as per AS 24? Should an enterprise include prescribed information relating to discontinuing operation in its final statement? ஒன்னும் கிடையாது. Discontinuing operation பாசிட்டிவ் ஆன்சர் சொன்னேன்ப்பா.
Yes, sir.
Yes. அந்த மாதிரி டிஸ்போசிங் சப்ஸ்டான்ஸ்லி டிஸ்போசிங் பீஸ்மல் டெர்மினேட்டிங் இதெல்லாம் எழுதிட்டு இந்த மாதிரி இருந்ததுன்னா அது பேர் டிஸ்கண்டினியூங் ஆபரேஷன் தட் ஹாஸ் டு பி டிஸ்க்ளோஸ் இட் செப்பரேட்லி அப்படின்னு எழுதணும். ஆர் கெட்டிங் கனெக்டட் வித் மீ?
Yes, sir.
டிஸ்க்ளோசர் மட்டும் ஒரு டைம் பாத்துங்க. ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு 2-3 டைம் ஸ்மால் கொஸ்டின். திஸ் இஸ் ஆல்ரெடி கவர் நாட் கவர்.
Cover.
இது ஒண்ணுமே கிடையாதுங்க. நான் மேல நான் சொன்ன அந்த காரே தான். ஓகே, இங்க 3 கொஸ்டினுமே கேட்டிருப்பாங்க. we will see the sub question alone. I'm not going to see the main question. A mere gradual passing out itself can be considered as a discontinuing operation within the meaning of AS 24. Yes or no?
No.
No,
Very
no,
good. No only. Correct. Super. Now, if the company pass a resolution to sell some of the assets in the passenger car division and also to transfer few other assets of the passenger car division to the new factory, does this trigger the application of AS 24?
No.
No, sir.
Very good. No. Piecemeal distribution. Substantially all the assets should be sold. இங்க கொஞ்சோண்டு சேல் பண்ணிட்டு மீதி எல்லாம் ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். ஹலோ.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
அடுத்தது. Very good. Super happy. Would your answer to the above different if the company resolved to sell the assets of the passenger car division in passed out but in time bound manner?
Discontinuing operation.
Yes, sir. Discontinue
Yes,
operation.
time-bound manner. Yes, no time bound manner, then it is not a discontinuing operation. Pakka.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's it. You can go through this question later on. See, this is yes, this is no. A category. No question. I don't know where is that. This is A. This is answer to A. Hopefully you understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we are successfully completed with these 2 standards. Today I took 40 minutes time. Within 40 minutes, I hope we covered all the problems related to AS 18 and AS
18.
அது எழுதிட்டேன்.
24.
God grace, thank God. So these 2 standards, whatever I discussed in the 40 minutes, if you revise once, that is more than enough for your examination. Okay, no need to spend extra time with respect to these 2 standards. Now tell me what are the standards are still pending out of 12 standards? 7, 9 is pending. 7, 9 alone is pending. Those standards are very basic standards. Nothing to worry about that. Okay. So today is 8th day if I'm not wrong. Tomorrow let me try to cover both, or otherwise tomorrow I will cover this. Day after tomorrow I will cover this, so that your 35 marks will be secured. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So thank you for being patient with me and joining on time. I hope today is the 8th day. I don't think so. Even a single day we have started delay. We started at 8 o'clock sharp, even though it is a free session. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So please understand. Okay, the same commitment and dedication and hard work should be from your end also. Today morning I would have uploaded 1 more videos. Okay, so a couple of days back I would have told you that stop doing hard work, start doing smart work. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
I'm telling you, if you're going to write group 1, now I'm telling you, stop doing hard work, stop doing smart work, start practice how to be in the normal mode. Is it clear? So
Yes,
without pressure, without stress, எப்படி எக்ஸாம் ஹாலுக்குள்ள போகணுங்கிறதுக்கு நீ ப்ராக்டிஸ் ஆகணும். இப்ப அதுதான் மோஸ்ட் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். அதை விட்டுட்டு நான் இப்போ போய் ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் பண்றேன், ஸ்மார்ட் ஒர்க் பண்றேன்னு உட்காந்துட்டு இருந்தீங்கன்னா இவ்வளவு நாள் கஷ்டப்பட்டதெல்லாம் போச்சு. Now forget about both. Try to practice how to be in the normal mode, how to be in the relaxed mode before go the examination. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Thank you and continue with the preparation. Nothing to worry about that. Do your work and result will come automatically to you. Good night, all of you. We'll meet tomorrow evening at 8 o'clock. At 8 group 1 student is there tomorrow morning. Yes.
Sir.
Anything else?
No, sir.
Yeah, I'll end up the meeting now. We will meet tomorrow. Bye bye.
Yes, sir.
Good night.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Thank you.